Hey, boss, got a couple of minutes?
Andreo! Just going over those last-minute strategy changes you sent over.
Okay.
Yeah, I just want to make it clear, whatever happens out there today, I get pit priority, yeah?
Well, we'll see how the race develops. If you need priority, you'll get it. But I can't go into the race with that on the table.
Look. We all know Jackson's not pulling his weight. Now, if you want the points, I need to make sure he's not going to get in my way. Do you get me?
Devon, we've talked about this. Give Aiden some space. It's not about you getting in the way of each other. It's about everyone pulling together, racing as a team.
Of course, yeah. So, pit priority, yeah? All right, ciao.
Into turn 2 we go now. Butler comes out of the pit lane. Jackson is right now with him. This is dicey, Ant. Neither one of these two wants to give way.
This would have been a lot cleaner if Jackson had just let him go. He's just not giving him an inch.
They continue onwards, still wheel to wheel, almost touching there as well, as we head down the straight towards the next chicane. Nothing to separate either car, and through the chicane we go. And now Jackson sends them both off the track, and Butler over a curb. That looked nasty.
And I do believe that one of their cars is damaged here, Crofty. I think it's Butler.
Damage, Ant, but also they've lost places too.
Unbelievable and totally unnecessary as well.
Well, one damaged car, places now to make up. What a complete mess that was.
Okay, calm yourself down, we'll look at it in the debrief later, but right now I want you to go and get those places back. Come on, let's go. 16, we got P16. Okay, here's the gap that we're trailing the car ahead by. 1.6 seconds. They're on fresh mediums. Schumacher behind you now. Okay, car behind trailing us. 1.1 seconds. They're on fresh mediums. Pit strategy complete. See these tyres through to the end now. Okay, 7 laps to go. No need to worry about the tyre condition for now, everything's looking good. Okay, that's us with 5 laps of fuel remaining. 5 laps of fuel left. And some information on Leclerc. Okay, they're out of this race. Caution, caution. Okay, clear. Okay, you're in the top 10. Okay, so we're leading our teammate by 11.7 seconds. Right, we've got enough fuel for 3 more laps. Mind that front wing, it's going to need replacing if it takes too much damage. Tyre condition still looking good. Okay, you're in 9th position. Bottas is ahead of you now. Okay, keep an eye on that gap ahead, please. 1.2 seconds. They're on old mediums. That's Stroll behind you. Okay, push. Gap to the car behind. 1.3 seconds. Okay, they're on old Hardy seconds. That was our last stop. No more scheduled pit stops. Let's go. 2 laps left. Next time by will be your final lap. Brilliant. Nice move, keep going. Okay, this is your final lap of the race. Okay, we've only got 1 lap of fuel remaining. Okay, pick up rubber and bring it home.
So it's been a day of drama here at the Circuit Gilles Villeneuve today. But Ant, what stood out for you?
Well, it must be the Connor Sport moment between the two drivers there, banging wheels, not giving each other room on track. It was entertaining, of course, but definitely for all the wrong reasons.
Yeah, we enjoyed it, certainly. And Aiden Jackson, well, he'd have enjoyed the result. He did well to recover.
He did do well to recover, but, you know, you never want to see two cars, if you're the team boss, seeing two cars hit each other. It's rule number 1, don't hit your teammate.
Given all the problems they've had this season, though, getting one car over the finish line, that's probably a big result for them today. Here come our winners now, a thrilling race and a tremendous effort by Ferrari. Their history is well known, so it's no surprise to fans the world over to see them come out on top once again.
Aiden, just a heads up, we're putting the debrief back by 30 minutes.
Okay, thanks for letting me know.
Listen, while I've got you on, what happened out there today?
It wasn't my fault. Devon thinks he's the only one driving.
I don't want to dwell on it too much at the meeting, but this is not how you run a team. You know this.
Of course. It's just...
No, I don't want to hear it. We have enough problems as it is. Whatever has gone on between you two in the past, I need you to put it to bed.
Sure.
I don't want to have to talk to you like this, Aiden, and I'll be saying the same to Devon. Come on now.
Sure.
See you at the debrief.